Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mango pickle without garlic. First, gather your fresh, firm green mangoes and all the necessary spices. We'll walk through each simple step to create a flavorful, easy-to-make pickle that you'll love. This method ensures a perfect balance of tang and spice, ideal for any meal. Let's start by preparing our star ingredient. Thoroughly wash and dry your green mangoes to remove any moisture. Next, carefully cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures even pickling. Finally, lightly salt the mango pieces and let them rest for about 30 minutes. This helps draw out excess water. Now for the heart of our pickle, the spices. Gently roast your whole spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and fennel until fragrant. Then grind them into a coarse powder. In a separate pan, heat about 1 cup of mustard oil until it shimmers. Then carefully temper your ground spice mixture in the hot oil, allowing the flavors to bloom. Once the spice oil has cooled slightly, it's time to combine everything. Add your prepared mango pieces to the aromatic spice oil. Mix thoroughly, ensuring every mango piece is beautifully coated with the flavorful blend. Transfer your delicious pickle into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. Store it in a cool, dark place for a few days before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.